Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you like video then please subscribe to channel. White walls can be cleaned with household solutions like dish soap or a paste of baking soda and water. Painting interior walls is the easiest way to freshen up your place. But this project can quickly turn into a nightmare if you're not careful. Before applying, clean the windshield glass with an ammonia-based cleaner. Then rinse the windshield thoroughly so that all the ammonia is removed. After that, dry the glass with a clean microfiber too. You can, in a pinch, remove a section from an unnoticeable area, be it the closet or beneath the bed. Receive free, no commitment quotes for your project from trusted carpet repair pros near you.